Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Signing documents as a power of attorney requires a specific, legally recognized format to correctly represent your authority and ensure the document's validity. This video will walk you through the proper way to sign, ensuring you act within your legal boundaries as an agent for the principal. The most crucial rule is to always sign using the principal's name first. The principal is the person who granted you the power of attorney. You will write their name, then follow it with by in your name, and finally, clearly indicate your role. So, the widely accepted and legally sound format generally looks like this: principal's name, by, your name, attorney in fact. For example, if Sarah Miller granted you, David Chen, power of attorney, you would sign Sarah Miller by David Chen, attorney in fact. Sometimes, instead of attorney in fact, you might see agent, which is also perfectly acceptable, resulting in a signature like Sarah Miller by David Chen, agent. The key takeaway here is that the document must clearly show you are signing on behalf of the principal, not as yourself personally. This specific format is not just a suggestion, it's a critical legal requirement that protects both you and the principal. It clarifies that you are executing the document under the specific authority granted to you, rather than making a personal commitment or taking on personal liability for the document's contents. Never, under any circumstances, just sign your own name alone, without indicating your role as agent for the principal. Doing so could lead to the signature being rejected, or worse, it could be interpreted as you personally agreeing to the terms, potentially making you personally liable for obligations meant for the principal. It's also vital to remember that you can only sign documents and make decisions that are explicitly covered by the power of attorney document itself. A general power of attorney usually grants broad authority across financial and sometimes medical matters, but many POAs are specific, limiting your power to certain areas like only financial transactions or only healthcare decisions. Always carefully review the specific power of attorney document you hold to fully understand the scope and limitations of your authority before signing anything. For instance, if you possess a financial power of attorney, you would use the correct format to sign checks, enter into contracts, or manage real estate transactions on behalf of the principal. If you only have a medical power of attorney, your signing authority would be strictly limited to healthcare-related forms and decisions. When signing, always have the original power of attorney document with you or readily available. Many institutions, such as banks, government agencies, or title companies, will require a copy for their records or will want to review the original to verify your authority before accepting your signature. If there's ever any doubt about how to sign a particular document, or if the entity you're dealing with has specific requirements or a preferred wording for the agent's designation, always ask for clarification directly from them. It is always better to err on the side of caution to prevent future complications. Furthermore, because laws regarding power of attorney can vary by state and the legal implications can be significant, if you are unsure about the extent of your authority, the correct signing procedure for a complex transaction, or any legal aspect of your role, it is highly recommended to consult with an attorney. Professional legal advice can ensure you are fully compliant and protect everyone involved. Understanding the correct way to sign as power of attorney is vital for fulfilling your duties properly and avoiding legal issues. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching. If you found this information useful, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful legal insights.